Welcome. This presentation is for renewable energy clients, equipment, and service suppliers. Upon review, if you would like to participate in Project Price Guarantee, please contact Gopal Kar of Solar Energy US Inc. Primarily sourcing renewable energy equipment is about quality, delivery, and price. While quality is ensured through a detailed analysis, its outcome is a list of preferred suppliers who have an ability to deliver energy in kilowatt per hour during its life. Initial contact with the preferred supplier usually results in a delivery guarantee. A price guarantee from a renewable energy equipment manufacturer is hard to come by when the price of raw materials in component and subcomponent fluctuates. Why price guarantee? A client's project manager needs a future price guarantee for a project deadline, and he is willing to pay a price because he faces penalty of revenues loss if project is delayed. It is not uncommon to hedge raw material prices in a long-term project. One needs to identify the material or materials, a future price, and a counterparty to carry the risk of price fluctuation. In the next 4 slides is brief outline of commodity hedging process. This information graphic illustrates price fluctuation of materials during a recent 12-month period. More than likely, price fluctuation is even greater now. Partial price mitigation can be carried by others until there is National Renewable Energy Clearinghouse. A counterparty can be an insurance company or commodity broker or a bank. There is a charge to hedge a price increase. A word on risks in hedging. To take a hedge on price is like taking an insurance policy that guarantees price at some future date. The hedger gives up the advantage if the spot price, on delivery date, is lower than the guaranteed price. The counterparty gets that benefit. In a nutshell, a hedger is guaranteed a project price in the future with no attendant risk. All price fluctuation risk is borne by the counterparty. A hedge is a risk-less proposition. A clearinghouse matches hedgers and risk takers. Price mitigation can be applied to any renewable energy project, regardless of the size of project. It can be applied to groups of home projects or utilities. The key learning is that a hedge is being provided to a simplified deliverable, a megawatt of electricity. A detailed bill of material can identify all the materials and compounds such as aluminum or silicon in panels and diode, copper or aluminum and sheathing with polyolefin or polyethylene or polyvinyl chloride in cables. Similar details are achieved for other equipment identified on the left below solar panels. Cost, insurance, freight, CIF, and exchange rate are included in creating a price guarantee model. However, we will start with a few raw materials such as aluminum, copper, and silicon free on board Shanghai and tempered glass free on board Yokohama. This may allow us to achieve a significant price guarantee by weight and more by cost, and even more by variability of cost. A megawatt of power is delivered based on pricing of components and subcomponents. Forwarding, insurance, freight have been fluctuating lately, so have the ocean freight and exchange rate. The client, however, is concerned with a single price guarantee with details buried in the model. Each renewable energy project, whether it is a home or small town or a farm or a mid-size city or a utility, is an additional business opportunity. In each renewable energy project, component delivery is staggered and project is stretched out. A client or project manager needs a future price guarantee for a project deadline, and he is willing to pay a price because he faces a penalty of revenue loss if project is delayed. A client ensures a delivery promise from a supplier and negotiates a price. In this scenario, sourcing can independently offer a price guarantee via a contract for 3 to 24 months in the future. Project price guarantee can be applied anywhere and is a global opportunity. Depending upon the details in bill of material, a partial price guarantee is offered to existing clients for materials available from clearing houses. Adding to existing revenue stream. A competitive advantage is gained by expanding to new clients. A win-win for client and the offering company. This project can be started by harnessing current resources within a company. The startup resources are minimal and in bold.